Hi everyone. So sometimes people look at my Excel screen and wonder how I got this clean interface. There is more space for the Excel sheets. The ribbons are not this big and all the commands are accessible in a one thin line. It's pretty simple. You can get it done with the quick access toolbar. So what I did is whatever command I wanted, I added it to the quick access toolbar. So for example, I wanted the font names and the font size to go to the quick access toolbar. I wanted the alignment section there. So whatever command I frequently use, conditional formatting, tables, slicers. So whatever command I used quite often, I added all of them to the quick access toolbar. And after adding it, what I did is I collapsed the ribbon. To collapse the ribbon, what you can do is, if you're using Office 365, in the new interface, you can click on the drop down button below the ribbon and just have the show tabs only option. Click on that. In the older version, you have, if I remember it correctly, it's a hide ribbon or collapse ribbon. You can choose that. So now our ribbon is collapsed and you see the commands that we want are right on top. If you don't like it on top, you also have one more option to show the quick access toolbar below the ribbon. So now we have the commands here. Right now the icons are looking too small. If you're not used to it, especially if you are just beginning to use with these small icons, you may want to know what these are. In that case, what you can do is click on the drop down next to the quick access toolbar and you can choose to show the command labels. So you also know what these icons are meant for, the commands are meant for. But having said that, if you have lots of commands in your quick access toolbar, these command labels become a little annoying because they take up more space. So I'm comfortable with these icons. I know what each of them mean. So I don't have the command labels so that I can accommodate more of my frequently used commands on the quick access toolbar. So hope you found this useful. That's it from me in this video. See you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.